This is our place. Tara, this is M&M Residence. Pasok tayo guys. It's night. Guys, ang ganda dito. Ang lamig na ngayon sa Baguio. Kahit na mag-stay dito, napakaluwag ng bahay. Ito ay condo. You live in your own house. While you're here in Baguio, this place is very comfy, cozy. You have the dining area. And this is the kitchen. You have a big refrigerator. Then they have the 2-bounce bed. You have the microwave, the electrical kettle. You have the rice cooker, the gas stove, and all the kitchen utensils here. You have an extra bathroom here. This condominium has 2 bathrooms and 2 bedrooms. This one is the master bedroom. Look at this. It's so very nice. You can feel comfortable here. You have a comforter, towel, face towel for one night. Look at this. You have a closet and another closet. This is the bathroom here, the master bedroom. The big. You have the hot and cold shower and the bathroom is so nice. Ganda dito guys mag-check-in. Napakalamig and then secure talaga yung place kasi merong mga guardia. You have an access for the exit and main gate. If you go to the exit, there's a Pizza Hut, 7-Eleven, video, Japanese, Korean, Filipino food, grocery, Johnson Grocery, a Elizabeth Church, so like a Pink Sister if you go there. So nice to check in here. It's a cozy, talagang secure ka talaga. That's the master bedroom. And this is the kitchen. This is the sala. Ganda ng sala nila. It's Christmas night. You have a big smart TV. You have an internet. And this is the sala. This is the sala here. This is the other bedroom. We have the single bed and then the queen bed. Actually, this sofa is a pullover bed. Pullover bed also. And here you can see the parking area. And that's the exit. But it's night. It's closer to Marcos Highway to Cannon Road. It's so very accessible here. It's a wide parking. A lot of cars, all the buildings. Oh guys, punta na kayo dito. Napakaluwang talaga ng lugar na to. Oh. At talagang super very malaki talaga yung place. May enjoy nyo dito. Then meron silang mini park. Yeah. Ano pa hinihintay nyo? Malapit na mag-Christmas. Book na kayo dito sa M&M Residence. You can catch yung ano nila sa Facebook, M&M Residence. Meron din sila sa booking.com, Airbnb, agoda.com. So, guys, tayin ko kayo dito ha. Check-in tayo dito. Ganda, luwang. Grabe, luwang talaga ng place na to. talagang may enjoy ng family nyo dito magstay. Very comfortable yung bed. Oh guys, book na kayo ha. Thank you for watching. God bless.